Here is the next tutorial on how to work towards your realistic drawing. Step 3. Outline your object. You're going to gather your materials. You'll need a 2H pencil, an eraser, your photo and artist paper, and a viewfinder, which is optional. Viewfinders help isolate areas of your subject matter by limiting your field of vision. To begin, you'll need to outline the main shape of your object. You'll be using the grid technique so that everything is in the correct proportion. This means you draw only what you see in the corresponding square. Complete one box at a time. This helps to break down your image. Using a viewfinder can help make you feel less overwhelmed by the whole image. Make sure to use light, sketchy lines so that mistakes can be easily erased. Plan where your lines need to start and end. Once the main outline is done, look for the next biggest areas to outline. Don't start the detail until you have mapped out all the large sections of the image. Now you're ready to add more shapes and detail. Draw as much as you can see inside each matching square, as lots of detail will make it look more realistic. Try to break down colors into shapes. Every time a color changes, outline it as its very own shape. This includes shadows and highlights. You can now divide your work in half, however you'd like. On one side, you will use a different material to the other. This will create a contrast. On the screen, you'll see the list of materials you may use. In the next video, you'll learn how to add colored pencil to your drawing.